How do you deploy unique client certificates to thousands of devices without overwhelming your help desk? Microsoft Intune automates certificate delivery at scale using SCEP or PKCS profiles for secure 802.1x Wi-Fi authentication. SCEP is a protocol where the private key is generated and stored securely on the device itself. PKCS is a set of standards where both keys are generated by the certificate authority and delivered to the endpoint. EAPTLS is the most secure 802.1 authentication method, requiring both server and client to present valid digital certificates. The rule of 3 profiles. Deploy exactly 3 profiles in sequence. Trusted root, SCEP or PKCS certificate, then Wi-Fi profile. Group targeting alignment is critical. User or device group assignments must be identical across all 3 profiles to prevent deployment failure. Remember, SCP stays, PKCS packs. With SCEP, the private key stays on the device. With PKCS, it is packed and shipped across the network. Read the full guide at purple.ai.